Hello everyone. Let's get to know the weekly horoscopes from June 8th to June 14th, shall we? Now, starting off with Mesh Rashi. For Mesh Rashi, health is going to be very, very good. It's going to be a lot better than last week. All the mental confusion or any kind of inconfidence issues or a little bit of anxiety issues which we have dealt with are all going to, be mitigated to a great extent, and you'll feel a lot better. Confidence is going to increase. Career and opportunities, you're going to see a greater growth, and all the career and opportunity plans which you have made in the late 2025, say for example starting November, December, January, February until right up to March, and you felt saying that there was no momentum until there. I mean, you must have seen saying that there is a greater momentum being picked up here in by the first week of June. So now this momentum is going to get more intense and more immense through while we pass through 20th of June. And by the time you cross 20th of June, that's where you'll really have to put in a greater effort. So please carry forward all your plans, and this is going to be a very, very beautiful week. I'm seeing a lot of Mesh Rashi people getting into smaller journeys or shorter journeys by the end of the week, say for example up to 2 to 3 days or 3 to 4 days. There'll be a lot of beautiful activities at home और शुभ कार्य जिसको वो हम बोलते हैं, तो शुभ कार्य होने के बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा chances हैं घर पर, and there is going to be a lot of happy environment even at home. So it's going to be a very beautiful week. Now this week I will request Mesh Rashi to do a lot of prayers for सूर्य भगवान, जैसे आदित्य स्तोत्र पढ़े, आदित्य सूर्याष्टकम पढ़े, सूर्य भगवान को हर रोज जल दें. तो जल जब आप अर्पित करते हैं, लोटे को ऐसे इस तरफ ऐसे पकड़ लेते हैं, जैसे मतलब अगर लोटा अगर आपके हाथ में है तो लेकिन दोनों उंगलियां जो हैं मतलब ऊपर रहेंगे, अंगूठे जो हैं ऊपर रहेंगे, फिर उसके बाद ऐसे जल अर्पण करेंगे. जब आप जल अर्पण करें तो फिर प्लीज ensure saying that you're not pouring the water on your feet, and the water is to be given into the plants only, and make sure saying that these plants are also not thorny plants. All the very best and have a happy week ahead. Good luck.